One letter, one promise, one heartbreaking truth. An old man wrote a letter every single year to someone who never replied. But on the day he took his final breath, a knock came at his door. What happened next will stay with you forever. Every morning at exactly 7 a.m., Mr. Thomas sat on the same wooden bench outside his small house. He wore the same gray suit, carried the same old notebook, and smiled at every stranger who walked by. But nobody knew he was waiting. Not for a bus, not for a friend. He was waiting for his son. 25 years ago, his son left home after a terrible argument. "I'll never come back," he shouted. Those were the last words Mr. Thomas ever heard. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. Still, every birthday, every Christmas, and every New Year's Day, Mr. Thomas wrote a new letter. He never missed a single year. He never stopped believing. The letters all ended with the same sentence: "No matter how far you go, you'll always have a home." One cold winter morning, the old man felt weaker than usual. He looked at the empty road, smiled softly, and whispered, "Maybe tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. The neighbors found him peacefully sitting in his chair, his final letter resting on the table. During the funeral, a black car stopped outside. A man stepped out. His hands were shaking. His eyes were full of tears. It was his son. He had returned just one day too late. The lawyer handed him a small box. Inside were 25 unopened copies of every letter his father had written. The son read them all that night. He cried until sunrise. The next morning, he sat on the same wooden bench. Not because he expected someone to come, but because he finally understood what waiting really meant. Some people spend their lives asking for forgiveness. Others spend their lives ready to forgive. Don't wait until it's too late to say, "I love you." Because time never waits for anyone,